someday. And me, Artcraft, made a fan. Let's come in. So, if we're gonna make a van, we have to have 1 chopsticks. And we have to have 2 circles. There's scissors, but before scissors, we have to fold it. Rectangle size. Just like that. And then draw a big circle. Not nice. So draw it at the other side if it's not nice. Draw it from down always. Big circle. So, in order to make a big circle, follow the lines. They're big. I did it in my rainbow. So, for a hot summer day, we could have a van. Always watch Art Attack, and after that, eat snacks. Goodbye. Oh.